students, how are you? I hope all are good. So today, welcome back to another class. Today let me start English chapter number 16, Newton the scientist. Do you know about Sir Isaac Newton? You must have heard his name every often. He was one of the greatest scientists of the world. क्या आपने इसाक न्यूटन का नाम सुना है ना? बहुत काफ़ी चर्चित नाम है और ये एक जो है बहुत ही वर्ल्ड के बहुत महान वैज्ञानिक थे. He made so many discoveries which later were proved to be beneficial for the mankind. He in fact answered so many questions which were arising in the mind of a common man for so many years. Sir Isaac Newton was born on December 25, 1642 in the British town of Woolsthorpe. He was tiny little baby when he was born. Even his mother thought that he would not live for long, but he lived for many years. His father was dead before he was born and his mother got married to another man, so he was brought up by his grandmother. है ना, उनके पिता की मृत्यु हो गई थी और उनकी माता जी ने दूसरी शादी कर ली थी, तो वो अपनी दादी के साथ रहते थे. He was sent to a school called Grantham at the age 12. He was not a bright student in school. है ना, 12 साल की उम्र में वो स्कूल गए थे, जाते थे 12 साल, तो वो एक मतलब ब्राइट मतलब एक अच्छे विद्यार्थियों में उनका नाम नहीं था. He could not do well there. Isaac's stepfather died and his mother came back home. Isaac was called back to help his mother in the farm. तो क्या हुआ, उसके जो सौतेले पिता थे, जब उसकी मदर ने दूसरी शादी की थी तो वो फादर की भी डेथ हो गई. फिर उसके बाद उसकी मदर उसके पास वापस आ गई थी और वो अपनी मदर के फार्म में खेतों में मदद करता था अपनी माता जी के साथ. Although he helped his mother in the farm, he was more interested in machines. He used to open old machines, study them and make them again. Sometimes he used to sit all by himself under a tree and think for a long time. Isaac was sent back to school again because he showed interest in learning. He was very good at making things like windmill, clock, and he even made a telescope. Sometimes he used to fly kites at night with small paper lanterns tied to their tails. The villagers used to watch such strange light from windows. मतलब जो है कई बार वो पेड़ के नीचे बैठा रहता था और सोचता रहता था, वहाँ पे बैठा रहता है ना. अब इसाक जब वो वापस आता था तो उसे बहुत चीज़ें इंटरेस्ट होता था, तरह तरह की चीज़ों को देखना सीखना, है ना. अब वो बहुत ही अच्छा था, जैसे विंड मिल बनाना, क्लॉक बनाना, टेलीस्कोप बनाना. और कई बार तो वो ऐसा करता था, रात में वो कागज की पतंग बना के उड़ाता था और उसकी जो टेल है उसमें ना लैंटर्न बांध देता था. तो गांव के लोग विंडो से झांक झांक कर देखते थे कि ये लाइट कैसे जल रही है. कई बार उनको पता नहीं होता था. He used to sit under the open sky at night and watch the stars and planets. उसको जो है बाहर रात को जो है बाहर आकाश के नीचे खुले में बैठना बड़ा अच्छा लगता था और वो ऊपर स्काई यानी कि चांद और तारों को देखता रहता था, प्लैनेट्स को देखता रहता था. With the telescope he had discovered, he used to watch the movements of the stars and planets. One evening Isaac was sitting under a tree. एक शाम की बात है, इसाक जो है पेड़ के नीचे बैठा था, है ना, एंड वंडरिंग व्हाई द मून ऑलवेज मूव राउंड द अर्थ. वो सोच रहा था कि हमेशा जो है चंद्रमा क्यों घूमता है पृथ्वी के चारों तरफ. टू द सेम पाथ जस्ट देन एन एप्पल फेल फ्रॉम द ट्री. तो ये सोचते सोचते क्या होता है, तभी एक एप्पल ऊपर से आके गिरता है उसके सर पे. ही गॉट द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. अब जो वो सोच रहा था उसका आंसर उसको मिल चुका था, ठीक है. He got the answer of the question that why the things did not fly off towards the sky. It was force. क्या होता है? Force called gravitational force that did not let the apple fly off. This was the force which kept the planets in balance and let them move on the same path. It was gravity that made them stick to the same path. Newton was very good in mathematics. Later on, he became very famous because of the new discovery he had made. He became the professor of mathematics in Trinity College. He was a great scientist while working on some great ideas. He used to forget ordinary things. Once he decided to check the time of boiling of an egg, but he put the watch into the boiling water and was looking at the egg for much time. One day he asked the carpenter to make a kennel for his two dogs, one big and the other small. एक बार उसने कारपेंटर से अपने जो डॉग्स थे उसके उनके लिए दो कैनल यानी उनके लिए घर बनाने को कहा और कहा एक को छोटा बनाना एक को बड़ा बनाना. हाउ मैनी डोर्स हैव यू मेड, उसने कहा कि तुम्हें कितने दरवाजे चाहिए. द कारपेंटर नो रिप्लाई, ओनली वन. Then Newton said there should be two doors. Where will the small one enter from? He had forgotten that the same door could be used by both the doors. Once he had invited his friends for dinner. While talking to them at the dinner table, suddenly he remembered something. एक बार वो अपने दोस्त के यहाँ डिनर पे गया और वहाँ जब बैठ के वो टेबल पे डिनर कर रहा था तो उसको कुछ याद आया. He got up, उठा and went to his study. वो गया और अपनी पढ़ाई करने लगा. When he did not return back after some time, has friends thought that something was wrong. जब वो चला गया, वो पढ़ने लगा घर पे, वो वापस नहीं आया तो उसके दोस्तों को लगा कि शायद कुछ गलत हुआ है. So they got up and began to look for him. वो उठे वहाँ और उसको देखने के लिए जाने लगे. They found him sitting in his study, lost in some deep thought. अब जब वो वहाँ पहुंचे उन्होंने देखा कि वो बैठा हुआ पढ़ रहा है और वो कुछ गहरे सोच में डूबा हुआ है. Newton was a man of great heart also. Once his dog named Diamond caused a burning candle to fall from his table. As it fell, the paper caught fire. Very soon, everything inside the room was burned. एक बार उसका डॉग खेल रहा था, जो टेबल पर जो कैंडल पड़ी हुई थी वो गिरी, पेपर जले, सारा रूम जो है उसका वो स्टडी रूम जल गया. When he saw this, he looked at the damage for a long time, then turned to his dog and said, "Don't worry, Diamond. You don't know what you have done." And patted his dog. Then he sat down quietly and began to work again. Because of his good work, he was given high post in the government offices. Queen Anne conferred him the knighthood. He became very famous and honored and was respected by everyone all over the England and abroad. In the year 1727, he became very ill and died in March 1727 at the age of 85. और वो जो है विश्व के बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध वैज्ञानिक थे. So dear students, the chapter is in here. Okay, I hope you all are very well understand full chapters. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you everyone.